Speed, adrenaline, and the rush of pure power. Welcome to the world's fastest bikes. In the next 40 seconds, we're breaking down the top 10 lightning-fast machines that dominate the roads. Ready to feel the speed? Let's go. First up, the Kawasaki Ninja H2R, capable of reaching 249 miles per hour. This beast isn't just fast, it's practically a missile on two wheels. Ever wonder what it feels like to outrun the wind? But what about the Ducati Panigale V4R? Sleek, aggressive, and the heart of Italian engineering. 199 miles per hour, but don't blink, because the next one is even faster. Ever thought about a bike that's faster than your Wi-Fi? Enter the Yamaha YZF-R1M top speed, 186 miles per hour. Enough to make your heart race just watching it. But none can compete with the Suzuki Hayabusa, dominating the speed charts at 190 miles per hour. But wait. What happens when we push past the 200 miles per hour barrier? That's where the MVR Agusta F4RC comes in. 201 miles per hour of raw power. You think that's fast? Keep watching, because the ultimate speed demon is just around the corner. And now, the king of speed, Dodge Tomahawk, a jaw-dropping 350 miles per hour, unmatched in power. Just one question remains. Can anything ever beat this? Ready for more adrenaline? Let's shift gears from speed to wealth. Click here to check out how the power of compounding can change your life. Fast or slow, it's all about momentum.